Hi. Well, this week I'm going to be drawing a duck. Actually, I don't know what to draw. It's like you do all these tutorials and then it's like you run out of things to draw and it's like, oh dear, what do I draw next? But a duck's always a good solution. Now, everyone knows that ducks are cute, but did you know who invented the first duck? Have a think about it, the clue's in the name. If you haven't figured it out by now, then I don't want you to watch anymore, so please just go. I'm just kidding, but if you're already gone, that's okay. Anyway, so ducks have red eyes, but you probably wouldn't know that unless you're a duck expert. Or you just look really closely at a duck. Now the colour of duck's wings is quite interesting. And remember, ducks need water to live, so if you don't add some water in your picture of a duck, then you're a terrible person. Okay, so if you liked this duck-torial, duck-torial. Oh, that's funny. I should write that down. Yeah, if you liked it, this duck-torial, don't use that word. I'm gonna copyright it. If you can you do that with words? Anyway, yeah, if you liked it, then go and draw a goose or a swan or something. Don't draw a duck, because ducks are like my thing. I like ducks, drawing ducks. Go and draw, I don't know, kangaroo or a dinosaur, whatever. It doesn't matter, just don't draw a duck. Okay, bye.